Hello guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to here Siddharth Lecture. So today we are going to discuss on can we use this and super keyword in the static context? Let's start. Answer is no. We cannot use this keyword and the super keyword in the body of static method because this keyword is specially reference of the current object. But without creating an object, we can access the static method. That's why here this keyword will cause an error. Then in the case of super keyword, we know very well. Super is the reference of the parent class object, but we cannot use that reference in the body of the static method. Actually, the static method can only access only other static member and methods because static member and methods are linked to the class during the compilation time. That's why they can access each other without creating an instance of a class. That's it.